Alright guys, so guess what? I ordered an action camera from Groupon. I think it was 40 bucks, somewhere around there. Super cheap. I mean, entry level for sure. And it's here. So this is my unboxing. Yeah, awesome. This is the Techcom 18900V 4K waterproof action camera in black. Here it is. So just looking at the box, it's pretty awesome. Says hardware specifications, waterproof with a case, up to 30 meters. Viewing angle is 170 degrees. Focus, obviously 12 centimeters to infinite. Audio input is a microphone. Audio output speaker. HDMI output, HDMI, yeah. USB 2.0 and a 5-pin USB. Micro SD storage up to 32 gigabytes. And it has a 2-inch LCD screen. A battery, 3.7 volt, 900 milliamp hour. Lithium-ion rechargeable battery. Wi-Fi controls. Video output of 4K at 24 feet per second. 2K at 30 feet per second. 1080p at 60 feet per second. Video format, it records in MP4, so that's cool. Loop recording. Pictures 16 megapixels down to 2 megapixels. Image format is JPEG. The burst, it takes 3 photos in a second. It's got 3 shooting modes: single shot, self timer, and continuous shooting. Can do time lapse every 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or 60 seconds. Pretty awesome. Yeah. This is cool. So, here it is. That is sweet. Wi-Fi, 4K. Comes with that waterproof case. A bunch of accessories in here as well. Let's check it out. See what else is in here. Like I said, this is the Techcom brand. I've seen some of their stuff on Amazon, I think, and they're all the same stuff, just what level of quality are you looking for, I guess, and how much money are you wanting to spend. Seeing as I'm a new YouTuber, I am keeping it low budge. Low budge for sure. Wow. I'm gonna have to play with this thing. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm guessing you push that down and to release this cam. I'll have to check that out. Comes with the clip. All right, we got some Velcro. That's cool. All right. Charger. Another little attachment. Handlebar attachment. This will be pretty cool. I could probably put this on the mower. USB cord. Clip on. It's a clip on. I could clip it. Little swivel base here. Some 3M stickies. Another little camera holder, I guess. Looks like it'll mount onto a cool tripod. Another attachment. There's a, I remember seeing these online. I'm not sure what it's called. It's a little 90-degree turn. A couple more bases for the clips. And another mount. More hardware. Zip ties. Cleaning cloth. And a manual. Definitely gonna have to check this out and read it. Front and back. No, I'm just playing. Who reads manuals? Cool. Alright guys, well hopefully I can do a little review on this and put it on YouTube, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Look forward to using this thing and testing it out and seeing how good it is. Man, this is exciting. I wasn't expecting this until Wednesday. Came in on Monday. It's awesome. Again, I found it on Groupon, I think for $40. Came with a lot of accessories and everything, and really quickly as well. So far, I'm pretty pleased.